a huge victory for the Iranian people and for Iran and for the people that Khomeini has suppressed for 47 years, and for the first generation born in America who has never been able to experience the taste of their beautiful homeland of Iran. It is time to reclaim our country. I'm so honored. It's my greatest honor to be standing here with my people. I can't even put to words how emotional this is for me and all of us. It's finally time to take back our land and take back our beautiful country. And this is just the most beautiful moment. We are living one of the most incredible moments in history right now. My name is Ghazal Mizrahi. I'm a Persian-American proud Jewish singer, and I would love to, for once, after the past 2 months, not sing a song of heartbreak and despair, but to dance with you all and sing a beautiful, happy song together. Can we do that? Yeah! تو که در تاریکی دریای نوری، تو که در غم‌های من سنگ صبوری، به هوای یادت ماندم، تو به من، تو به من، تو به من.
A lot of people don't know the beauty of our country before the terror Islamists
You
took
just said
over.
our country. You've never stepped foot in that country,
I've
have
never
you?
stepped foot in that
But
country.
your mom and dad have instilled this love for that
yeah.
country in you.
It lives
I
through
love
every
that.
song. It lives through every Persian Shabbat dinner. Like,
Good
it's
for
just
you.
my heart. And we're so many Jews, Persian Jews around the world are, you know, standing with the people of Iran and are just hoping and praying for the day that we can go visit our family's homeland.